Hi, this is Nick. Today we're going to be looking at our computer. We have handheld devices with screen protections on them and never really given any thought to putting one on our laptop computer. So we have received the FORITO anti-blue light. On the back are the installation instructions. It looks really straightforward and easy to do. We received 2 screen protectors, so we have multiple computers in the house. Join us for eye protection. Let me see what's in here. Here's the instructions. I'm sure this is a little alcohol pad, the little cloth to help clean the screen, and then a device to help take out the air bubbles. The stickers help pick off the fine details. And again, more instructions on top of what's already printed on the back. So why don't we go ahead and I'll show you just how easy it is to install it. We'll clean up the screen, so we're going to wipe it down. I've done some pre-cleaning already. I'm going to go ahead and use the sticker just to pick up some of the other items that might be still on there. Alright, I've gone over the whole screen with this sticker. I really visibly can't see anything on there. I didn't use the alcohol pad, which you should have done in the beginning, but I had already gone over this with a glass cleaner, so that seemed rather redundant. This does come with it, and you can use it. Alright, next step. Get the 2 guide stickers to fix one side of the protector on the screen. These are your guide stickers. I think this is going to cover the whole thing, so this really isn't necessary. See how ours fits right in the middle. I really won't need these stickers, but they do come with them. Now, as you can see in the corner here, there's a 1, and on the other side a 2. The 2 will be the final one you take off. So start this one edge here, the number 1 side, and get it going so I can adhere it to my monitor screen. I don't want to take it all the way off. Really avoid trying to touch that. Just use what the covers are for. I'm going to turn it over. And again, I'm going to use that lip as my guide. And see how it sits right in there. So, up there you can see in the upper corner. I'm going to grab my tool here and get that started. Really easy to do with this tool. Pull back. Okay, that's far enough for right now. I want to get this down. See, there are some air bubbles right here. I don't know if you can see those in the camera, but I'm going to take those out. I'll push them this way. I should be using the tool and not my fingers. Push this down. See how you align here what's sealed and what isn't? Really easy to put this on. Get your other hand under here and just keep pulling this back and follow it with the tool.
It's really the same process as putting it on your smartphone.
Exactly.
Oh, there you go.
Just take your time. You see there are some air bubbles, but I'm going to work those out with the tool here. So now that I have this on, I'm just going to grab the sticker number 2 here and pull back, and all I'm doing is taking off the top part. Really simple. You don't see me anymore. The reflection's gone. So again, not having that backlight. There's our screen. Much more visible. There's no reflective light coming from the back of me. I can work anywhere in the room now. So this is brilliant. This is awesome.